Welcome to My Career Doctor, and today's topic is nepotism. We will talk about nepotism. As nepotism is in limelight nowadays, it's not a new thing. It has been since ancient time, but this is in limelight nowadays. In every field, you can see nepotism is there. This is why today with the warriors, Spartans of My Career Doctor, Neeraj Jain, Priya Gupta, Niharika Sharma, Ghulam Mustafa, Bindu Kaur, and Anshu Kumari. One by one, you guys will give your opinion. One thing. Second, if you find discrepancy and you want to counterattack anybody's statement, you can just go ahead because the students are less and we can do that. Great.
Good morning, everyone. So today's topic is nepotism. So first of all, I would like to tell you about what is the meaning of nepotism. So nepotism meaning is based on favoritism. So we are just giving a favor to our close relatives and nephews and all our friends and other close members, and we can give a chance to just like in on nepotism in everywhere, just like in business, politics, film industries, organizational sectors. So everywhere nepotism are there, and I'm I'm talking about first of all that in the political sectors, everybody knows that nepotisms are there, and we know about the Gandhi family where the nepotisms are there last 6 decades. So uh, this is the most important examples of nepotism. And the second thing, nepotism is like in the Lalu's family where Mr. Lalu Yadav is giving a nepotism to our children, and all these things is going on right now. And Mr. Amit Shah's son was appointed by BCCI as a secretary. So this is also going there. And if I'm talking about the in the organizational sectors, so organizational sectors is also there, and where is nepotism is there. Even in my companies, some of the relatives are appointed as the superior positions. So they never go, and we are in the junior positions, and some others the junior positions and never climb there just because of nepotism. And the most important things happen in the film industry sectors, and we know each and everything about the now the nepotism word is viral just because of Sushant Singh committed a suicide. So that's the big reasons. And even we know everything about the Kapoor family and Khan family are doing these things right now. And I heard first time this word at the time of Coffee with Karan shows, and where Kangana Ranaut spoke to Karan Johar that you are a nepotism and you are a movie mafia. So just because of now nepotism is everywhere, and just because of you and your directorships and productions and your Dharma productions, that's why all the people are doing these things right now. And we know each and everything about nepotism is in film industry. In film industry there are a lot of talented people like Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Manoj Vajpayee, and many more actors. They are never get the chance in these film, movies, and they are not and this these directors are not taking any chance to these actors just because of nepotism. So I think we should do this thing personally, and we should boycott these movies where nepotism are there, and we know each and everything about, and now we have a chance to uh, stop the nepotism. So thank you so much. I
You talked really about nepotism in politics. You have talked the truth. You talked about nepotism in industry. I mean, Bollywood movie industry that is there on extreme right now. Just because of
thank you.
the mysterious death of Sushant Singh Rajput, this came into picture just because of Kangana Ranaut and Sushant. He has been my all-time favorite actor since 2013. following Susan. It's fact they have money, they have muscle power, but it's fact also that the ultimate power have the common people, and this time common people have woke up. Every third day I see trend on Twitter, justice for Susan. You might have seen Needus or not. Every third day there is justice for Susan. So this time common people are in their power. Bindu ma'am, my question to you, and first listen this please very carefully, unmute it. Yes. I personally believe that nepotism is not so bad. Of course, if you are a chief minister of Punjab, so you will take your relatives because you have worked really very hard. You are the chief minister of Karnataka, Maharashtra. But wrong is what? When you try to suppress the new talent, when you demotivate new talent, when you distract new people, when you stop the talent of others, when you make them, mental, when you make them crazy, when you put them into depression, that is bad. It's okay if you support your relatives, that's fine. But do not suppress, do not stop others, do not stop outsiders. What is happening there in Bollywood? There is such a bad and heinous politics. They suppress the talent of others through each and I was just watching the video of Kangana Ranaut. She was saying that against Kangana, there were so many fake newses were, and that those were the very bad and pathetic news just to break down her morality, her courage and all. But she is the Iron Lady. Still, she is there in the Bollywood. What is your opinion on that? Yes, please.
Yes, sir, because nepotism is a disease and it is a form of corruption also, and it is found everywhere in Bollywood, in politics also. But it is a human nature, I think. We, if we are on their places, so we also, I think, do the same thing, because it's a human nature to give chances to our kins and to our family members. We want to. We want to grow we want to see that our family will grow in that field in which we are shining. So but I think if we are capable and competent, so only then we can get chances again and again. But with the help of family support and any of favorite, so we can't take many chances again and again. But in nepotism, not only the nepotizer plays a great role. I think we people are playing a great role in increasing the nepotism, because we want to we want to see the movie Star Kids, and like an example, like Taimur Khan, the son of Saif Ali Khan. We are there are so many followers that kid from now, and this because we want to see, we want to watch his activities, and so I think we should not support these kind of nepotism. We should favor only those who are really deserving candidates, like Sushant Singh, and he was a engineering topper, but no one knows because of media, because media doesn't want to show his talent. And now after his death, we come to know that he has great qualities when we watched his when we listen his speeches, and we got astonished that how intelligent he is. And the star kids who are having no qualification and just plus two pass, and they are renowned in every field because of nepotism. And so I think Sushant Singh have to fight with them, because in coming time he may get chance. And we should also, the people should also I think favor the intelligent person, that they come over, and we must give chance to not to star kids, but to the talented ones. That's it, sir.
very much, ma'am. Now, Anshu, your comment on nepotism. Anshu, then Gulam, and then Priya. Then we will speak one by one. I'll ask you some. Neeraj will speak. All right. All right. Anshu, go ahead. Anshu, unmute, 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 unmute.
Sorry. I forgot to unmute that. Sorry, sir. Okay. I think nepotism is the major issue of our society. It's not created now. It is creating from the ancient times. But now, after the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, now it is trending now very much. So I will tell like what is nepotism. So nepotism is when we favor our kin or kids in any sector just to promote them in any sector like a Bollywood or the employment or the political system or education system any there. So it's the we should try to finish it, and I think we are the most responsible person to we are just empowering the nepotism because we don't want to see the movies of newcomers, the outsiders. And the second thing that is I would like to tell about when we want to go any movie for the theater, we should check a app. That name of that app is Nepometer. So Nepometer is an app which will tell you about how nepotism this movie is. It means recently this app is created by brother-in-law of let's Sushant Singh Rajput. His name is Vikas Kriti. So recently Sadak 2 movie had released, and this Nepometer shows the review like 98% nepotism this movie is, because in this movie who are is in the Mahesh Bhatt and both Dr. Alia Bhatt, Pooja Bhatt, and Sanjay Dutt. So it means that there are only one in this movie. There is only one guy who is outsider, and the others are star kids. So this movie is 98% nepotism. So we should boycott this type of movies. And the second thing that is we should, if I talk about the political system, then we should understand the value of our vote, because we don't want to give a chance to a new ones, even in the political system or in the business or in the Bollywood sector. When if I talk about the political system, so what we do, we generally give our vote to our who is related to our caste, who is related to our religion, who is some neighbor, who is our neighbor, who is our kin, who is our kith. But we should focus that who is good for our society, who will improve our society, who will enhance the education system, who will make the good things for our society. So I think we should do this type of things. And the media is also very responsible thing. Media is the we say that the media has a lot of power, who can change the life just in a one day, just in a one night. We all shown the power of media. We all so the already shown the power of our social networking site. So we should use this site also. So and the other thing, who is a very responsible for nepotism, those who are practicing it, like in like if I talk about the political system, then like Rahul Gandhi was made the leader of Congress. Why? Was he qualified? Was he talented? No, he didn't have talent. He didn't have the knowledge about the political system. Just because he was son of Rajiv Gandhi. And so these are the things that we should note in our mind, and we should focus that how to remove nepotism. And in Bollywood sector, there are so many. Yes, sir.
Sorry to disturb you. So you are saying that Rahul Gandhi is not qualified?
Yes, sir. I am saying it. He is not qualified, sir. He is not. He don't have the man. He doesn't have the manner to what to say. Like our Prime Minister Modi ji, he has a lot of knowledge that what to say, how to behave. But Rahul Gandhi, he just focus on the, he just believe on the other's ear.
But
What he listen. He never use.
but but Anshu, it may be Rahul Gandhi also has been portrayed by media in very wrong way. Media didn't focus to Rahul Gandhi. It may be there is manipulation. It may be there is politics from backside,
Yeah,
and the media wants to show the image of Rahul Gandhi, bad image. Yes, Neeraj, are you agreed or not?
yes, sir,
Yes, sir,
it
I am
may be
totally
have.
agree with you. When I first time I watched the video about Alu something and called, called something like which is very famous video about the Rahul Gandhi. But when I watched the full video about the what is the saying behind it, so it is perfectly he is saying very good thing about the how to uh, just like other government doing this thing like आलू निकलेगा and फिर
सुनो
gold ऐसी machine बनाऊंगा something like that. So that is not a good thing. Even totally agree with you, sir, because now media is portrayed to him just because of now no one like him. And I think there is a political issues and we know each and everything about BJP and Congress all the time. This is thing happen with anyone. I'm not talking about the only Modi is right person and Rahul Gandhi is right person. Somehow now Modi government is there, so now all the media is against the Congress just because of now government of BJP is there.
Thank you very much for sharing this valuable information. Thank you very much, Anshu. We'll come back to you. Now let me give chance to Gulam. Gulam,
Okay, sir.
please go ahead, brother.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for the opportunity, sir. Actually, due to my network issue, I'm leaving and again join that type of problem I'm facing. So, actually, in my opinion, some extent nepotism is good because as a human being, we all are like nepotism. We want to give the chance to our relative one. So, what extent? We can say that up to one extent, that is when we are misusing our power, we are dominating others new commands. That time it is not good. So first, if your relative have the quality, all these things, so he can deserve for that. Otherwise he cannot deserve for that. And first I want to blame for this that nepotism is going on. So for the people, we are supporting all time to like what we are watching on the media. So media is always like they are taking some money, they are taking some side, and they are showing the wrong thing, not the good thing. And we general people enjoy to watch that type of rubbish news. So we can't watch in every time, we cannot watch that type of news. So nepotism actually in two line, actually it is given by our uh, immortal Sushant Singh Rajput. Like he told that nepotism is not just about loving your own, it is about also killing the right talent, not letting them come out. This is the two line. It is it touches my heart. Actually, this is correct. We should like we have to come out from that things, and when we are feeling that it is going to like bad, it is nepotism, we should raise our voice. So now where all people are like understanding, but earlier it was not understood by us because we are not supporting to the new command, whatever in the political field or whatever in the film star or Bollywood, everywhere nepotism is going on from earlier stage. But we have to change this the platform to rectify this. This is my opinion, sir. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Thank you very much. You have recited the line which was said by Susant. Thank you very much, Gulam. Let me please talk to
Thank you, sir.
ask to Poonam ji. Ma'am, what is your opinion? Is nepotism good or bad? These all guys have talked about it. You please go through your opinion.
Uh, Good morning, sir. Yeah, I would like to say some point on nepotism. Nepotism is bad because of every person want to promote our child. Why? Why they want to promote our child? Why they not promote the outsider? So as we know, in European country, they have not do these things. They have promote the diligent person and also the honest person, because they have reached. In India, nothing this like these things. And what is the nepotism? Nepotism is a favoritism. Nepotism has been created since ancient time. So I want to say about in nepotism, like political always want to promote our child, because they have afraid about if anyone came in and like a good position, so what happened with them. That's why they afraid the to promote the outsider. And also in industry, we industry is also industry is based on the nepotism. They want to promote our kids, not the outsider. As we know in what happened with what Sushant Singh Rajput. Yeah, what happened with Sushant Singh Rajput? Because they have they had outsider, because no one no one promote him. And Sushant always say in his social media ki you watch the my movie, because I am not the in like a Bollywood member, so they have leave me. So you watch. And I want to say about the because of some reason Sushant committed the suicide. And it is the fact, all of the reason is, one of the reason is because he is committed the suicide. And lastly, I want to conclude in my point ki it should not at the you promote our child, but it should not at the cost of talent. You want to promote the talent, and so because that's after that our country is promote day by day increasing an old field. Thank you for giving me opportunity, sir.
Thank you very much. First, you said everybody talks about that he committed suicide. Actually, ma'am,
Yes.
he did not commit suicide. The entire episode is suspicious. There is great doubt and suspicion, right?
But
There
one
is
of the
Mr.
reason is sir, nepotism. One of the reason.
Correct,
Yes.
correct. There is a
Yes.
big politics behind it. So many people are involved
Yes, sir.
behind this. Anyways, like Brother Neeraj, you said that in politics you talked about that Gandhi family is in power for last 6 decades, right? You also
Yes.
talked about Lalu Prasad Yadav, he and his sons and all. That's really correct. You have really talked about correct. But if I get back into history, there I see Samrat Ashoka, right? Maurya Empire. So they always established or made their sons to the king, son, grandson, grandchildren, and all to the America, to the next ruler of Magad. Also in business, Ambani makes his daughter and son Gandhi and all. Why not in politics? If somebody becomes the prime minister once, whether that is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru or Indira Gandhi. See, if I talk this, it doesn't mean I favor a particular party. So please do not take it personally. I'm just asking. You have to give the answer. How can we say that it is bad? Nepotism is bad.
Sometimes nepotism is good because where if I'm talking about and I listen all the peoples about the nepotism because this is the ancient time and we know even if suppose if my kids, so I always prefer to give the first priority to my kid, but depend on talent. Suppose if he doesn't have a talent and somebody have a talent, but just because of my kids, so that's why I'm prefers to that position or that industry. So that is not a good thing because that time talented people are not taking any chance to somewhere. So so I'm totally agree with you. But now Gandhi family is there. Even if you know that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a very great leader and everybody support him and he was the first prime minister. But after that, when we are talking about the Sonia Gandhi and now we are talking about the Rahul Gandhi. So Rahul Gandhi is not a much as a leader Rahul, the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi. So that leader was that very good in their performance. But now, if I'm talking about Rahul Gandhi, he doesn't stand any position right now, because sometimes he is not a good leader. I'm not talking about he's qualified or not, but I am just talking about he's not a good leader. He is not a promoted any uh, promoted their leadership. So that's main reason, and so that's why that's the thing happen in the film industry also, because some star kids are very talented, but some star kids are not talented. If I'm talking about the Sunil Shetty daughter Aditya, some I don't know the name of, but she is not talented, but uh, so that's why she got the chance to take the movie, but nobody watched the movie just because of she doesn't know how to do acting. And the same thing happened in the cricket association. If you know about the Ron Gavaskar, he's the son of Sunil Gavaskar, and he got the first chance in the ICC team, but and he's the opening batsman, but he doesn't know how to play the cricket. So that's the thing happen in everywhere. So I would recommend to everyone that if you have a talented, suppose if I have a kid and he is talented to other people, so I would give the preference to them position. But if he doesn't get any talent, so why should I give the position to that position, so that person? So that's my point.
Thank you very much, brother.
Hello, am I audible, sir? Okay, so first of all, I would like to thank you, sir, for because you gave me an opportunity to represent my views in front of you all. So I start from the meaning of nepotism. What is the nepotism? Use of the power or influence to get good jobs, or an unfair advantages of for the member of your own family, especially to giving them jobs, is called nepotism. The word nepotism is an Italian word, comes from nepotismo, which leads on the Latin nepotismo means nephew. There is nepotism is everywhere. Like if I am talk about business and business, religious circles, political and businessman. So everywhere is nepotism.
Thank you very much, Priya. We'll ask you once again. Bindu ma'am, can you please hear? All right, she is not there right now. Okay, yeah, Bindu ma'am, can you please hear, respond?
Hello.
Yes,
Sir.
please.
Yes, sir.
My question to you is, do you think so that nepotism in Bollywood is going to end, or it will be continue like earlier? The bad politics, the dirt, each and everything is there in Bollywood. Actually, we guys, when we see and watch the movies of Bollywood so-called stars, we get a lot of inspiration. We think, wow, they are heroes. They are not heroes. They are not heroes. Heroes are like Mahatma Gandhi, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Ashfaqullah Khan. These are heroes. Of course, Bhimrao Ambedkar. ये हमारे heroes हैं. They are not heroes. They are actors only. In Hindi, नाच गाने वाले. So, what do you think? Is nepotism going to stop now in Bollywood, or it will be continue?
I think, sir, it all depends upon nature of a human, because if we want nepotism in film industry, then they will continue. Definitely they will continue nepotism. If we want to rent out their own star kids, if we stopped watching their movies, their dump star kids, if we stop watching, then only nepotism can be end. Otherwise, I don't think so. It's going to be end. It's upon us, and if we are mature enough that we know which to whom we give priority or to whom we don't give priority, then only it can be end, I think, because it's in trend from ancient times, from kings.
But ma'am, this time people are very aggressive. You might have seen people or public movement on social media. They are making hue and cry a lot. Every third day there is trend. So this time, to subject to the movement of public right now, what do you think? Would there be changes or still dharma, karma, Khans, Kapoors, Bachchans and all?
No, sir. We now we are getting to know everything now because I also don't know about nepotism before Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Now, after his death, I got to know about nepotism. I definitely don't want to see Salman Khan's movies and Karan Johar's movies. And like me, many people are wearing nowadays. So I think it would be going to end if we all are aware about this nepotism, like me.
Thank you very much. You said that awareness is everything. Everything, right? All right, all right.
Yes.
Good job. Now, Anshu, my question to you is, a lot of people, those who are anti this campaign, which is running right now, they say that if you really like outsiders, why don't you go and watch the movies of outsiders? This is my first. Second, on the other side, what I have observed is that these mafias, they don't give chance outsiders to go screen on many, to distribute many screens. They give them limited screens. They don't give them chance to release their movies on track. I think this is the reason that outsiders don't get chance. Only like powerful people, so-called superstars, they release their movies on festivals like Eid, Diwali, this, that, blah, 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 and all. They release their movies, and these movies are, I would say, rather even very, very lowest quality, but still they get hit. But newcomers, they do not eat. First, they don't get chance, and if they get chance, like there is a movie which is coming named Yara. 5 years before, Himanshu Tunglian, I forget his surname, Himanshu made this movie, who was the villain of Gang of Wasepur. Himanshu played the role of Ramadher Singh, if you watch Gang of Wasepur. So he's the director of this movie. 5 years before, already this movie got, made. But after 5 years, this movie got chance to release on online platform, not in cinema halls. What is your opinion about it, Anshu?
I think there are only few.
Your central line is that people say that outsiders movie. Why don't common people watch outsiders movie? Because they don't get promotion. Over to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First of all, I want to say about there are only few producers who are giving opportunity to new outsider like Anupam. I think Anupam Kashyap. He gave the opportunity to the newcomers to produce the movie like Sushant Singh Rajput and the many others. So they should give a chance, and this type of outsider should open a disturbing house, producer house, so that newcomers, outsiders gave a chance. And if we talk about what can we do on our level, that we should watch the movie of outsider. First of all, we should be aware that which movie is giving us inspirational knowledge. Like if I talk about there was a movie of I think Zero. But that was no any there are many more movies who doesn't have any inspirational knowledge, who doesn't have any link to the reality, to the practical life, but still we go. Why? Because they are celebrity. But we should watch only inspirational movie, and we should also go to watch the movie of outsiders like Sushant Singh Rajput, Nawazuddin Siddiqui. He was also an outsider, and there are many more who was outsider. And I already talked about the Nepometer. Nepometer, I discussed it again. Nepometer is the app. When we want to go any movie when we want to see any movie in the theater, First of all, we should check the ratings of that movie on Nepometer. Then we come to know that which star kids are involved or which outsiders is involved in this upcoming movie, and we should check that if there are only few outside there are only few star kids are present and there are more outsiders are present, this if this movie is giving chance to any outsider, then we should go to watch that movie in the theater. So we should do on our this level. It would be really great, and this app is really very great, and distributor they should yes sir. Thank you sir.
Thank you very much, Anshu. पीयूष, you tell me first. Thank you very much. 2 महीने के बाद वापस कोचिंग आने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. So Piyush, how can we stop nepotism in politics?
First of all, sorry sir, because actually there is a network issue, so that's why I'm not joining the class. So finally after that 1 month I joined the class. So sorry for that after a long time. And good morning to all of you. Sir, tell me sir, what is the question?
My question is, how can we stop nepotism, bhai bhatijawad in politics?
Yes.
And in India, like Neeraj, very first he talked about nepotism in politics. I'll come to you, Neeraj, once again, and to Niharika ma'am also. Piyush, how can we finish nepotism in politics?
Okay. In my view, in present time, actually nepotism is not there every sector. I think competition is there in every sector, but in some sector like politics and film industry, nepotism is there. But if you want to in the nepotism, I think very soon it is not end, because it is just like corruption in our country. So many years people try to end corruption, but corruption is also there. So just like the nepotism is also there in film industry, but nepotism is raised when Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide. This is suspicion. This is not the 100% committed. So everyone wants to know what is nepotism and how to end the nepotism. But in my point of view, if people aware all the things and what is nepotism and how to end in the last level, then awareness is the main important view. If people want what is nepotism and how to people suffer by nepotism, after that people raise our voice, and after some time they will definitely end.
Thank you very much, and God bless you. When will you come back to Delhi?
Situation is good after I come back, sir.
Thank you. Poonam ji, ma'am, you please tell how he didn't talk point to point, which I wanted. We'll come back to Gulam. Please have patience for some time. Gulam, how can we finish nepotism in politics? You come from Assam. What is the situation of Assam? Is there also kind of nepotism politics, or there is good politics?
Okay, sir.
Don't take the name of leaders, do not feel, but you can go ahead. How can we finish nepotism? All right, bro.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. In Assam, sir, earlier it was like we can say that nepotism was there in the time of Congress. I don't want to take name, but earlier it was there. But when last year our earlier leader's son was there in front of the election, but all the people didn't support the Congress, and now it's totally Congress-free Assam. It's all about the BJP. So I think in our Assam, all the people are aware about that, how to remove this type of nepotism from any state. So this is all about nepotism in Assam. So, and I want to tell one thing about that, sir. We can remove nepotism by our we have to support the talent, not the any star kid son or maybe like that. So, and one another thing I can say that we have to introduce some examination like the entrance examination to take sons to any field, like in politics or like in Bollywood also. So we can see that there are so many leaders or maybe stars are there. They don't have the basic knowledge also. So I think it's would be better to introduce some type of examination also. Thank you, sir.
Priya, what would you do if you don't get chance to get success in your life? If you see in front of that somebody else get each and everything, what will you do? Will you try, or commit suicide or something like else? Will you get into depression?
No, sir. If I don't success in my life, I will try, because there is a quotation that if we do success, we can do everything. Do while trying, because success, one day success will touch your feet definitely. So that's all, sir.
Thank you very much. Poonamji, ma'am, you also tell us that how can we finish nepotism? We know nepotism is like cancer. We all talk about nepotism. But until we finish it, it's not going to give us equal opportunity and chance. How can we finish nepotism? Please show some light on it.
Firstly, I say about we should not watch the kids movie. We should aware about these things. That time we thought about anyone do this thing. You should try to on home at home. No one try to watch the kids movies and not any promote the our child. So yeah, sir, this is my point. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Neeraj bro, is it possible to finish? If yes, how? If no, how not? Not only movie, you have to talk about politics, business. You have been to the part of a company. There you see already nepotism. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Definitely, nepotism. We should eliminate it from our side. So now we have a great platform like a social media. So we can go there and we just if suppose if you want to do something in this is not happening within good manner. So you just go on Twitter side and just you upload your what is going on your side. So you just upload and you just take the other persons which has suppose the actually there's a live example about now the thing is not happening good in the Mumbai location. So everybody is just attach the message on Twitter and then just take with Mumbai police. So now Mumbai police is very actively work on Twitter and if again half an hour he send the message that okay we are in progress and we are doing the best things for these purposes. So now we have a good platform and I would like to one more thing that we are responsible to encourage the nepotism because we suppose we can change the nepotism, otherwise nepotism will never change because we if I'm talking about the political sectors, organizational sectors as well as film sector. So we should stop nepotism from our brains because we don't know how to nepotism is increasing and we know each and everything about the Sushant Singh Rajput. Sushant Singh Rajput is not a committed suicide; he was murdered. So that's the thing happening everywhere. So I think we should stop him. We should stop nepotism, and we can change these things from our side, not from others.
Thank you very much for this and saying this. I know him personally also, not personally, but very close to personally since 2013. I know he was very brilliant mentally and physically both. Only emotionally he was very weak and this is why he had to pay his cost. Because of his emotions, he was very weak at that. Only I would give chance to Piyush and Binduji. Bindu ma'am, tell us one thing. You are into teaching profession, right? You are there in teaching profession. So you are in a great profession, although the profession of others also great, but because you are in teaching, you are a social worker. What do you think so? Can a teacher really change the mindset of people or they can't?
Yes, sir. Definitely, if I teach my students in that way from now, because I am a primary teacher and the primary level students are just like a plain slate, and what we taught them, so they can definitely learn things, and I would definitely teach the students about nepotism, especially nepotism, and I generally talk to them about the social evils, and I generally aware them. But now after lockdown, I will definitely tell them, because they are so small. Maybe they don't know about the nepotism. I will definitely share them about nepotism, teach them, and they will definitely follow me, because teachers are their mentors. So they
Correct.
will definitely follow me.
All right. So are you in a government school, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes, sir.
that's good. That's good. That's great. So, all right. Of course, upgrade yourself and change something in that school, which will be great. All right. All right.
I will definitely do my best, sir.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Wishing you all the best. All right.
Thank
Piyush,
you.
to you. Piyush, to you regarding this question, nepotism. What is your final comment? As you see everywhere now, nepotism, it's not a new thing. It has been since very, very ancient time. All right. Right now it's trending because of an incident. We all are talking about it. What do you think? Would it be finished or it will be continue? We common people would have to suffer, or we will stop suffering it. We will get justice.
Yes, definitely, sir. Actually, in my view, uh, in not very soon, it is end. But people try to, because we can try. If we try, then everything we will do. So if we raise our voice and try to end the nepotism, so definitely after some time they will end. And the people who are facing so something is always nepotism. So we feel bad, because uh, sometimes it's good, because if people have talent, then definitely they will do the all the things to their kids. Because if but if the but if they have not any talent, then definitely to the outsider. So if is to depend on the how to react and how to take it.
All right, Piyush, I would like to stop you here because your voice is not
If we
proper.
take if we take in the good way, then after some time, definitely they will nepotism means. Thank you.
All right, Piyush would like to stop you here. Guys, now I would not ask any question to you. In the last, if you want to give your opinion for 30 seconds, you can give. You can go ahead, whatever if you have in your mind. One by one, please go ahead and share whatever you want to speak about it, because I'm not going to ask any question to you right now. All right, start please for 30 seconds.
Okay, sir, can I speak? Hello. Okay, sir. So, at last, I would say that nepotism is a disease which can't be transmitted but only can be inherited. Nepotism, the nepotism of this letter, that is nepotism, will be destroying to everyone in today's world. And who is the responsible for this curse? We, the people have to, the people have to, the people have to, the people have, the people will have to finish it. And if we don't do the, so the nepotism, so it would. And who is the responsible for this curse? The people. We, the people, have to face this situation and can do something for our coming generations, and it will be destroyed everything in the world, and there will be no humanity left in this world. So, sir, that's all about my topic.
Thank you.
Correct. Anshu ma'am and our earlier speaker, they all are correct. I'm totally agree with them. So I want to say, like in politics and every field, power is in our hand. So what we watch, like in news, we have to stop the watching that's rubbish news, and we have to we don't have to support that Star Kids or whatever it's called, like talent. We should support only for talent. So if they have the talent, we have to support. So in like yesterday I watched a interview in Arnab Goswami and Kangana, like they actually 1 month delay. It is like that program. It's related to Sushant, but it's past 1 month. So we have to actually quick action. We need the quick action, and there are so many Sushant Singh Rajput are there in India. So if we want to save them, like we already lost a gem of Bollywood. It is like it will not gain again. So we have to stop it before again it happened. So it's in our hand. All the powers is in our hand. We have to choose. We have to vote what the talent they deserve or not. We should go for it only. So thank you so much for that opportunity.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. It is the wake-up call for everyone and every field. We should try to promote talent, not the nepotism. Thank you, sir, for giving me opportunity. It is my
All right. Last, Neeraj, you want to speak? You have 30 seconds only.
So I already done, sir, but I like to ask you one question to you, sir. So what about your opinion about nepotism and how to stop it, sir? Can you please give your
Yes,
opinion,
sir. Please share.
yes, valuable
Please share.
opinion. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We want to listen from you also.
Yes, sir.
Please, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. See, nepotism is bad as we know it. Really, it's bad. But somehow it's not bad, because if you are a powerful person, of course you will give chance to your persons, not to a place where a qualification is necessary. You can give your sons, make him something else where their talent is not required, that these things are not required. But what is bad, when you stop somebody growing, like there are not only in Bollywood, you might have seen in public also, there are so many people, they are very brilliant and excellent. People kill them. This is really very bad. That your son is so useless, dumb, waste. You are promoting your son who are really waste and dumb. You are not letting a fresh, brilliant mind and talent just go and get success in life. That is really very bad, and I'm against it. This is first thing. Second thing, how can we stop nepotism? See, public awareness, like Niharika ma'am said, Anshu, all of you, Bindu ma'am said, Neeraj, you also said, Ghulam, Poonam ji, and Priya, she didn't talk more, but yeah, she said that how can we stop? And the very first, Niharika ji said that by public awareness, by promoting today on social media, awareness is necessary. If people were not aware about nepotism after this death, so many things. This is not the first death and murder in Bollywood. Every day they kill so many youngsters. They put girls in bad things there in Mumbai. Every day, more than 1,000 youngsters go to Bollywood and they have dreamed that they will be superstars. But what they end, they get into bad things. Even I cannot name those things. They get ended in those things just because of so-called mafias. They misuse their power a lot. So how can we stop it? Just because of awareness. I don't watch too much Bollywood movies. I have many stars. They are my favorite, but I have unfollowed them. I have been in touch with Sushant for 2013, since when I watched his movie named Kai Poche. I don't watch Pavitra Rishta ever. I didn't watch that serial, but people of India, especially girls, would have watched that serial. Girls like that serials, right? So I know his talent, and I know already about his all qualification. He was invited by Stanford also. He got the scholarship from Stanford University of USA. Only by and because of him, I'm also broken. I made video on Facebook also. I made 3 videos on YouTube. I'm in favor. I want to finish this Gundagardi, not in Bollywood, in the whole India, wherever this is, whether that is in Bihar, UP, or anywhere, Haryana, Punjab, everywhere, Assam. So this must be finished, but it is possible only when public are aware. Public know what is right and what is wrong. If you go in 1970 or 80, there you would find a great leader named Jayaprakash Narayan. If you do Google, you will come to know. What he did is, because of the awareness, he changed the government first Janata Party government came into picture. Today, Subramaniam Swamy is the leader of Janata Party. Now he became the leader of Bhajpa. He was the leader of Janata Party actually, which was started in 1970. And it just because of the public awareness, it was possible. A campaign is started and people were against of the atrocity, the bad government that time. So the same thing is required right now just because of awareness. Gandhiji spreaded awareness, we people became aware and drive away the Britishers. The same way, if the common people know their right, if they know the right of social media, youngsters know that social medias are only to make friendship. No, it's to bring the revolution also. We can bring great revolution. It is possible only when the youth are aware. Being the citizen of our country, the great land that is Bharat, India, I really want, it's the time to change the system, and it will be possible, and it is possible only when we common people know our rights and we use it, because end of the day, we are the powerful, nobody else. We are the powerful for Bollywood stars, we are the powerful for the PMs, CMs, whatever they are, for them also. So this is my opinion from my side, and it must be stopped, brother, as soon as it is possible.
Great conclusion, sir.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Clear from
Most welcome.